Hell yeah. I like to get lit. I like to get lit. I like to get lit.
So this video is basically just letting you guys know how I do my everyday makeup and my like base and foundation for my makeup for acne prone skin, because my skin is like breaks out a lot, like all the time. Like clear skin is rare for me. It's happened, but it's rare. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, because people are like, oh, you have good skin, you have great skin, but I'm like, baby, you gotta make up right? You okay. So first thing, I just want to show you guys my skin. You can see, and then right here and right here. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and for the sake of this video, and then I'll be right back to you guys. I did my eyebrows. So the next thing I do, I put lotion on my face before I did my eyebrows or whatever. That's why it looks like real oily. But I'm gonna take my primer, and this primer is the Maybelline Baby Skin one. This is drugstore. I got it from CVS, I think. And yeah, it's really cheap. I use it all the time. I also have another one, which is my Laura Geller one. That's really my favorite one, but one day I left it in my makeup bag and the top was on, so it squeezed out. Y'all can see, and it's no shadow. Well, it is, but not up there. Okay, so yeah, back in action. And next, what I like to do is I like to take this. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's the green concealer. This is what I use to cover up all the red marks. You're gonna see, like, you're not gonna be able to see them later. And this is my favorite because it really helps, especially when like I wake up, my face is really red and it just like I look like a tomato. Yeah, this cancels out the red. If you were like darker skin tone, darker than me, I would say use orange, because I heard that's good for not red but like acne and stuff, you know, use orange. So what I do is I don't take a lot. Well, it really depends. So I just squeeze it a little bit, and then I'm just gonna put it especially right here. Every year, well, for the past 2 years it didn't come up, but every year before that it's been a bump on my nose, and I don't know what it is or why it comes up, but I don't want it to come back this year. This is my prime year, okay? We're getting this together. We're going forward, not back. So yeah, you can see like all these spots right here. I'm just gonna take it and cover up the spots. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, and then just a little more just in case. So maybe I do put a lot, but this is the amount I put. Okay, so next I take a brush like this. This is like the flat top, and where did I get this from? I got this from a palette. It was like a contour palette from like Walmart or something. Yeah, so really I use this, or I use my beauty blender brush like this. It really depends, like I use anything, but I'm gonna take this. That's what I've been using lately, and then just dab. And you don't want to like brush it, because if you brush it you're gonna have green all over your face, and it's gonna thin it out and make it sheer. And sometimes when you have a lot of green, you can really see it through your foundation. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation. The two foundations I use are the Too Faced Born This Way. This is in the color Honey, and then I also have the Black Opal. This is my foundation stick, but y'all see? Yeah, I left it in the car one day and it melted in the cap, and so it's just ruined, but I still use it because I'm not a money waster. Take the end of my brush, dig it down there, and rub it on my face. you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, I'm gonna use this one because this is the one that I've been using, but this is like more of a full coverage day, medium coverage day. This is more of like, oh, out, like, you know, sun outside, and I want it to look natural foundation stick. Night out, girls night out, born this way. Take some, and let's see, we're gonna start off with this much, and then we'll see how much I need after that. I use my fingers. That might be another reason why my skin is breaking out, but just dab it. Doop, 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 doop. Yeah, so already I'm seeing that this is not gonna be enough, so I'm gonna take some more, the same size, and then just fill in any areas. I mean, I don't do a lot, but I do a lot. But the main thing is you want to make sure that you put it enough to cover up the green, because sometimes I don't put enough and then it's like you can still see the green through the foundation. Okay. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, so this is what I look like once I have the foundation on over top the green, so you can see how much I put like on this side and then this side on the top. And then I take a brush like this, or I take my beauty blender. This is not beauty blender, this is the Morphe one, but it needs to be washed, and I dropped it on the floor, so I'm not gonna put this on my face. I mean, sometimes, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this brush. This is also dirty, but I'd rather use this than one that's been dropped on the floor. And then you want to do the same technique, and look at that. Look at it. Where? I don't know if this looks too dark to y'all, but it looks kind of dark to me, and it's been looking dark lately. This is my my summer color, and it's definitely winter, and I definitely didn't get a tan over the summer, so because I was definitely working every day. So yeah, but it's still like one of my favorite foundations, so I'm still gonna use it because I paid my money for it, my hard-earned money. So I'll be back after I'm done blending all of this out. Okay, so I'm back and everything is blended out. The brush wasn't really blending it enough, so I had to do a quick wash of my beauty blender, quick rinse of my beauty blender, and then I just blend everything. So looks, you know, you can't even see like the red. You can still see like a little bit like the bumps, but it's not like, oh, look at me, you know. You don't need like the high end, oh, I have to go get, no, you can use drugstore, use whatever foundation you use, but that like color corrector is your best, is gonna be your best friend when you have acne prone skin like me. Usually this one I would do like my concealer. Well, I don't really do like concealer anymore because it's just too much time and too much makeup that I feel like I'm putting on my face. So I really took that out of my routine. And then also like this is when I would do like that stuff, you know, contour, mascara, I was about to say edges, but no honey, highlight, all that good stuff. You see I have my lashes done, so I'm not gonna put mascara on them, but this is what I would do right now. You know, my bottom lashes will be looking like this because your girl is a pro with the mascara, okay? And the mascara that I use is Too Faced. Yeah, Better Than Sex. And then I also use these two. These are powerful together, okay? This is the Ico London. I got this from Ipsy. And then this is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot one. And this is what I use for my not under eye, my bottom lashes and my top lashes, and it just looks beautiful together. So get you some, period. I'm not gonna do my contour, you know, eyeshadow, all that good stuff. But if you guys do want to see a video of me doing that, just comment down below and I'll do that. And I'm gonna put some highlight on because, you know, who doesn't love highlight? Even though it looks like I have some on, that's natural, baby. Well, not because I have foundation on, but I've been talking a lot in this video. So this is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is my go-to. It's my best friend. This is the brush I usually use for my to put my highlight on. I don't know what kind of brush it is. I know it's Eco Tools, but I don't know like what style this is. But yeah, this is what it looks like. What I usually do when I have some rose water is I spray the rose water on my face and then I apply the highlighter while it's still wet because it like helps a lot. But just gonna, ooh, that was a lot. Still can't see. Let's see. The nose. The nose always gets you. There we go. There we go. Yeah. But yeah. So this is the unfinished look. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you have acne prone skin like me, or just you have a breakout and you know, cause y'all know the breakouts always happen when you need to go somewhere, you need to look cute for something, always seem to pop up on those special important days. So yeah, this is a quick fix right here. Simple, easy, inexpensive. And yeah, if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ooh, I forgot to put lip gloss on. Yep. That's it.